From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Murray here at the Penn State Campus Weather Service, ready to bring you your Thursday afternoon forecast. We're going to start off with a look at our live cameras across the state. As we can see, mostly cloudy across much of the state. We do have some clearing occurring in some cities, but temperatures looking to be a little warmer than it has been. Well, that's not saying a lot, but yes, a little warmer than it has been. We're looking at mid to upper 40s across much of the state as we head into the southeastern portion of the state. As we can see here, we're getting into the 50s already, and it's not even noon yet when I'm recording this. Looking at 53 in Philadelphia, but still in that northern, north-central tier of the state. Looking at temperatures still in the 30s. So quite the temperature difference from north to south across the state. Looking at your past few hours of satellite and radar, we can see that, yes, we did have some rain and snow mixed showers come through the northern and northeastern part of the state last night. Definitely made for some cloudy, poor aurora viewing conditions. If you were able to see the northern lights, congratulations. I got a picture of it peeking through the clouds with my phone, so I'm pretty happy. But looking at your hourly forecast in terms of temperature over the next few days, look at this, folks. We do get kind of close to 50 today, something we can't really say has happened over the past few days. We're looking at temperatures topping out right in those upper 40s, maybe even hitting 50 here in State College before going back down into the low to mid 40s as we head into the evening tonight here in State College. Let's take a quick look at the 500 millibar heights. As we can see, heights correspond with temperature. So these low heights moving out indicate the cold weather starting to shift away, but it's not over because we have another round of Arctic cold air, those indicated by those cool colored heights. That's going to bring folks another chance of really cold temperatures and even some wintry precipitation as we head into the early part of next week. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at the future radar. Again, we see this nice rain system we get on Saturday as a part of this low pressure system moving in. But take a look at Sunday into Monday. Again, look at this. As part of the backside of this system, it brings through cold air as it moves out of the region, and in behind it brings perfect conditions for lake effect snow. So again, another chance of some snow showers as we head into the start of next work week, which could definitely complicate commutes. Now looking at your forecast for today here in State College, again topping out in that upper 40s, right around 48 here. It's going to be quite windy, so it could feel a little bit cooler. Winds 21 miles an hour out of the northwest. Looking at your forecast for tonight, looking at temperatures right around 31 degrees, so still pretty cold. Windy, still a little windy, right around winds at 11 miles an hour coming from the west. Again, low precipitation chances. And as we head into tomorrow, we're looking at temperatures right around 52 degrees. Again, a little warmer, climbing a little warmer before that next cold air system moves through as we head into the start of next work week. But again, winds die down a little bit tomorrow, only looking at winds out of the west 10 miles an hour. And again, low precipitation chances. So to top it off, let's look at the 7-day forecast. Again, a theme for this weekend is it does get a little warm, slightly above seasonal average. Seasonal average is right around 50 degrees right now for State College. So looking at your Friday and Saturday forecast, we do get a little above that. Again, nice chance of rain on Saturday before we head into Sunday and Monday before it does cool down quite a bit, especially as you get into the nights. No precipitation being shown here, but I wouldn't rule out a snow shower or two. And then as we head into the middle of the week, getting a little more cloudy, slightly warmer, but still below seasonal average. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Murray. Have a great rest of your Thursday.